Do you wish to make money like this or like this, but you don't have money to pay for ads? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited free ads that you can use for Digistore24 affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. And also, you can use this to get free traffic to your blog or website or to build your mailing list. And also, I'm going to give you some tips and advices, so make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When you come here you can see view all of our ads. And here you can sort ads by category. And here you can see they have lots of categories. And when you, for example, check out this ad, here you can see 14,000 times this ad was seen. So let me scroll here. For example, 51,000 times this ad here was seen. So let me just scroll. Okay, 86, almost 87,000 times this ad here was seen. As you can see here, there are ads of different colors, and that is to make these ads stand out to get even more traffic. So let me just open a few of these ads just to check them out. So for example, when I click here on this first one, here I can see that this actually is a direct affiliate link, as you can see here, and this is for paid social media jobs. And here you can see, like I said, this is a direct affiliate link, so you can do exactly the same thing. So let me just close this and let me just scroll through more of these ads. Okay, earn $185 to use Facebook. So when I click here I can see that this is actually paid social media jobs. And when I scroll here you can see these guys are actually sending you to their landing page. They wish to capture your email so they can send you even more affiliate products and make even more money. And that is exactly the same thing that we are going to do. We are going to make our landing page. Now for that you can use Kartra, ClickFunnels, or any other software, but for this purpose I am going to use System.io, because System.io has a free plan. After you register for a free plan, what you need to do, you need to click here on funnels, because we need to create a new funnel. And then click here on create. And then here you need to give it a name. Let's just say, for example, test. Okay, test. Domain name. Now this is important. If you can use your own custom domain, that would be best option. But if you cannot, then you can use subdomain, System.io subdomain. Here you need to choose build an audience, because that is exactly what we wish to do. We wish to build our mailing list. And then here currency, you don't need to do anything here. Just click here on save and you created your funnel. And then you need to click here on this funnel. And now this is important. This actually has two steps. This is the first step. We need to edit our squeeze page. So for example, let me just find best one for me. Okay, let's just say, for example, I will use this first one here. So just click here on select. And now I need to edit this squeeze page. Just click here to edit this page. And now, okay, here I don't need any of this, so I will simply delete this, okay? I will just delete this, okay? I don't need this, I will delete that. Now I need this here, okay? But I don't need this book here, because I don't want to give them book, okay? I will just delete this, okay? And also I am going to delete this. Okay, delete this. And now what I do need to do, I actually need to find a product that I wish to promote, because I need to know what my squeeze page will be about. Now I don't need this either, so just delete this as well, okay, and this as well. Okay, delete all of this stuff here, because you don't need any of that. You just need this first part here, this top part, okay? Just delete all of this, okay? And now, like I said, we need to find a product. Now for that I'm going to use Digistore24, and because we are talking about making money online in affiliate marketing, I am going to scroll here and click on internet marketing and e-business. And actually I'm going to sort this by popularity. And here you can see most popular products in this category on Digistore24. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this product here, affiliate 1. Here you can see I can earn 20 euros for every sale that I make. Here you can see cancellation rate is 22%, almost 23%, which is not that good, but for the purpose of this video, it is actually good. So what I need to do, I need to click here on sales page because I need to check out their sales page. And sales page is important because if they have a good sales page, that means conversion rate is much higher. And here you can see their sales page is actually pretty good. So what you can do, you can use this as an inspiration for your landing page, for your squeeze page. You can take, for example, screenshot of this part here, and that is exactly what I did. So let me just close this, and I'm going to back on system.io, and I'm going to drag this image here, okay? And now I need to add my image. Just click here, and then click here to upload the image. Click here. Like I said, I already made an image, and this is the image. Click here on insert, and this is it, okay? So what I need to do, I actually need to delete this part here because I don't need that. And here where it says send an ebook, I need to change it because I'm not going to send them ebook. I'm actually going to click here and scroll here to find the right part. So let me just scroll through here. Okay, I need this part here where it says send me an ebook. I need to change it because, like I said, I will not send them an ebook. And I can say something like this, sign up now, okay? And this is all I need to do. And when I click here on save changes, and when I click here on preview, I can see how this actually looks. This is how it looks. And when they submit their email, they will be sent to next step. Now let me just close this. What I need to do, I need to click here on exit. And this is really important part of this video because now we are actually going to promote our affiliate product, Affiliate One. So what I need to do, I need to go back on system.io and I need to change the thank you page. So I need to find the best thank you page. So for example, I am going to choose this first one. Just click here on select, okay? And now I need to edit this page. Just click here on edit this page. And like I said, I don't need this part here because I will not send them an ebook. And also I don't need this part here. So I am going to delete that as well. And okay, thank you friend, we are sending you guys. Well, I don't need this, so I can delete that, okay? And I am actually going to delete this part as well because I don't need that either. And here where it says download now, okay, where it says thank you friend, I am going to say something like this, okay? Something like this. So I will just say, okay, click the button below to proceed. Okay, and here where it says download now, I will click here and I am going to actually scroll here on this side. So let me just find the right part. I need to delete this where it says download now and I need to say something like click here. Okay, here, click here. And that's it. And this is really important, guys. And this is really important part, guys. So please pay close attention. What I need to do, I need to click here on this button. And then here when it says action when button clicked, I need to click here and I need to click here open URL. And here where it says URL, I need to go back on Digistore24 and I need to click here on promote and I need to get my Digistore24 affiliate link. And I need to go back here and I need to paste that here. And now what I need to do, I need to click here on save changes. And when I click here on preview, I can see how this look. And now when someone click here, they will be automatically redirected to the sales page. So this is how this works. People will first, well, let me just close this, okay? People will first go on my squeeze page. So let me just click here on preview. And when they submit their email and click sign up, they will be automatically redirected to my thank you page. And when they click here, they will be automatically redirected to my affiliate link to the sales page of this product here, Affiliate One. But they will be also added to my mailing list and later I can start sending them emails and I can promote more products from Digistore24 and I can make even more money. So now what I need to do, I need to start sending traffic to my squeeze page, as you can see here. Now for that we are going to use a website called freeadvertising247.com. Now here you need to add your link and that is the link to your squeeze page, okay? So I can simply copy this, okay? And go back here and I am going to paste that here. Category, I need to find right category, so let me just find the category. Okay, let's just say for example, business opportunities. Okay, that is my category. Short title, I can again use their sales page as an inspiration for my title. So let's just say for example, I will use this. Okay, this will be my title, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, this makes us $2,761 daily. Okay, description, I need to add a description, so I can use, for example, I can do exactly this. I can copy this. Okay, I will make this as simple as possible. Of course, you will make a better post. Better description, you need to add your name. So let's just say, for example, Zoran, and you need to add your email. And here you don't need to pay anything, but if you don't pay anything, then your ads will be like this one. Here, as you can see, in white color, so it won't stand out. But on the other hand, if you pay just $1, $2, or $4, then your ad will be in different color and it will stand out, and you will get, as this ad got, 86, almost 87,000 people will see your ad. Now imagine the potential if 87,000 people see your ad and they click on your ad. You will make a lot of money. Like I said, you don't have to pay this, but you should. My recommendation is to actually pay for one of these to stand out. And after you do that, all you have to do is just click here on submit button, and that's it. You will post your ad on freeadvertising247.com. Now you cannot see this button because I didn't add my email, so to verify my account, when I do that, I will be able to see submit button. And what you need to do, you actually need to post ads every day. This is a free advertising website, so you can post ads every day. Post one ad today. Post one ad today. Post another ad tomorrow. And day after that, and day after that, and day after that. Post ads every day. And trust me, guys, if you actually use one of these options here, you will start getting a lots of traffic. As you can see, 14,000 people saw this ad here. 51,000 people saw this ad here. So you can start getting lots of traffic, and you can start getting lots of clicks. On your squeeze page, you will start building your mailing list, but you will also start promoting your affiliate products, and you will start making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023 with free traffic for affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.